APC.
All right, so what I'm gonna do?
Need a gunner for it?
I think I'm gonna take a line.
Hawk 2 had some additionals that I can drop
Like
them off.
this.
What's your 20?
Your car, my car's gonna get blown up. Fucking fuck it. But
we can blow it up before they do it.
I don't see many of these guys in the towers, especially.
No, we don't have, I'm trying not to blow it up. But you see, like, can you aim at that tower?
Yeah, looks like you're gonna be near the water tower.
Yeah.
The goal is that fucking tower, so we're gonna knock that thing out first. So I want to line you up for the first shot. When we're getting the first shot line, that we'll figure out the rest. Can you? Do you have like some sort of like?
No indicator, nothing. Just kind of winging it.
I want a clean shot.
You got nothing? Okay.
Nope.
All right. When do you want me to take it?
When that shot's taken, everyone make sure we're safe on the perimeter. I don't want us to invade, but
all right. What do you want the signal to be for the shot? You want to like light up a cigar or a cigarette, and I'll take the shot.
What does it look like when you look through like your eyes and all that?
Can't do anything.
I'll put my phone.
I'm locked in.
Okay.
Sharpshooter on the enemies. Sharpshooter has a direct lead on you. I'm going to take him out, right? It's okay.
All right.
But we're not going to invade now. But make sure we got cover and show these people we ain't fucking around.
Yo, this is gonna be fucking.
They're prepping to open fire on us to take cover
in about like 5 minutes.
Yeah, they withdrew that AA vehicle at line of sight from us.
They're gonna fire at us, right?
So the AA gun is a vehicle.
If I see that, if I see that RPG coming, I'm fucking just backing out the hill. We'll be
currently,
fine.
it's mobile right now under it. It's
You won't have time?
the center north side of the compound.
Yeah, I see it. It's going towards the
Probably,
yeah,
probably, yeah.
Yeah,
Senator,
yellow
I want you to move to the left.
think you can
Senator,
hit from
move
here
to the
like
left
this?
a little bit.
Yeah, I can get him for sure.
Hawk 2 is focusing this A.
Can you go forward a little bit? I think the angle is gonna be
I'm
better.
taking the shot, Senator.
Yeah, that's probably better.
Two shots are taken. Go.
Shoot. All right, get cover. Take out that perimeter.
Oh, that fucking tower just got.
Tower down.
fucked. That tower just got. fucked. Yo, get the roof.
Heli down. Heli down.
Get the roof over there.
We're gonna need to pick up here on the set. On
Oh
the
no,
north,
my car, no! Get the roof straight ahead. They're behind.
Take out that
I think I'm
tower.
just taking out the AA gun. Yeah, it's down. Good shit.
Oh,
Got him.
RPG on the rooftop. RPG on the
All right,
rooftop.
do not invade. Do not invade. Let's get out. Let's get our units. Let's get safe.
Get that tower straight ahead. That far tower, I think. Oh, we got. Oh, that tower's getting fucking shredded.
Senator, I'm coming back and pick you up.
See that tower right there? You see that motherfucker come down the stairs?
Yeah,
I see it.
There's still a guy on the eastern tower.
Yeah, they're heavy on the eastern
Got him, I
tower.
Look, if the alcohol didn't make my hand shaky, all the explosions sure as fuck will.
We need to get our officers out here and get out here.
Oh, this fucking.
Gonna make another
How
run on
is
that
not going
eastern
down?
tower.
RPG
course
is still on
that
that rooftop.
I'm gonna aim for him when he comes out.
What do you want me? You want me to get an elevation?
No. You're good. You're good. This is perfect.
AA gun. There's still one of the AA gun.
How many units
Good
have we
shot.
got down that we need to rescue? This is a retreat mission, guys. A retreat mission here.
Hey,
Grab our
man.
units. Get out of here.
Ground units fall back while the APCs hold the line and push back and then get mount up.
Can you give me a better angle?
There's not
where
much
you
coming,
want?
firing it back out on the
Just
compound.
more
They're
nail,
taking
more
cover,
nail.
so it's a good time to retreat.
Do we have a
I can
unit on
shoot
the
at any
floor down there?
elevation.
Careful. Don't shoot anyone without a weapon out.
APCs coming up, still start loading people.
There
Do
are
I
some
shoot
priority
anyone or not?
targets in there.
Heli, do we shoot heli?
Heli.
5 is on the floor by the chopper. We need to grab him and get him out of there.
You get in?
Right, they're still
Heli
in
down,
that
heli
eastern
down.
tower. They're covering the bodies by the helicopter. They're
I'm a
still
little
on
late
that
to this, so
eastern
just
tower.
give me
Angel,
an
do you
idea
have a
of
shot?
what we're looking at here.
We're just
Heli is down in the middle of the elevator.
Shot on the chairman.
Yeah, I'm
Killed the
fine.
chairman.
Yeah, that eastern
269 status.
that eastern tower.
On
They're
the left
looking
side?
over the bodies in the helicopter. The police bodies in the helicopter.
All right, you
Move
can't
close.
shoot through this gate. I'm
I
just
know,
gonna
I know,
drive by.
Yeah, negative. I don't have a shot. Right there,
You're
see
going?
him right now. Yeah, he's at a
Here's what we can
distance,
do. We're gonna come up this hill.
Yeah, it's good, really good. Smart.
I need ground units to rotate
Come up
over
this
here. I
hill
need
right here.
the APCs to rotate over near the Calabria
Right,
Road Bridge. Rotate near
Where's
the
our other
Calabria Road
Blackhawk?
Bridge.
Do we still have a Blackhawk in the
I
air?
got none.
We have a Black Hawk down.
If we just have one
What
in
are we
the air,
shooting
the
at?
Blackhawk in the air needs to get snow out of there by the
Peep, you got
by
any?
the Blackhawk that's
You got any
down.
armor for him?
Yeah. I got him. I got him.
APCs, hit that eastern tower, hit the
For who?
base of the eastern tower, not the top of it, the base of it. I need to get in there and get snow.
I'm ready.
There you go.
I got him.
Fire up on that eastern
Got him,
tower.
they've
That's it,
got
good
him, we're
shot.
good. Retreat. Let's get out of here.
Oh, we're getting out. I think we got
I
him.
need a pickup on the train tracks behind the...
I'm gonna cover
rock
you,
on the
go
compound.
pick him up. I'm gonna go cover you with the sniper and then come back for me. Go pick up
We're
the
taking
other
fire.
side.
Taking fire. Move out.
The train tracks?
Snow's recovered.
I'm
Nah.
on the train tracks.
Is everyone
heading,
mounted up? If anyone's not mounted up, shout.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
all
I
units
need a
there.
pickup on the hill.
Train tracks, I'm on the
Look
train
at
tracks.
you, Angel.
I need a pickup.
APC.
We're coming. Stay there. Train tracks. We're coming in.
Angel.
I'm here. Alright, let's get everyone mounted. Let's get out of here. Let's go back to the pet store thing.
Chat, guys, listen. I kind of felt bad. I feel like I should have missed on purpose because we did way too much damage there.
All right, you take point. I'm coming with.
I was
We have one of the
blasting these motherfuckers.
helicopters down in the middle of the Alamo Sea. Heads up.
Dude,
Yvonne, are you good?
Confirm.
We're just
Alrighty,
following
we're
the
good to
standard.
go.
This is priority,
Hey, I
guys.
need a pickup back here.
Where you at?
Train tracks behind you guys. Find the ground units with the giant convoy.
Did they get heli or did I get the heli?
We still got two LSPD units. So what's going on now?
Sean, are you near the bridge or no?
I got an APC. I'm up in an APC.
Okay, that's insane.
Covering the body.
Spread the word.
Oh, okay, I'm spreading the word. I'll spread it.
Okay, dude,
Carl, we're
that's
just gonna
insane.
stay with you
Oh
and
my
defend you
God.
on the way back. Just run.
This seems like war.
You don't need to worry about me. I'm a
master.
master at running away.
This is what they get. You don't get to
He's
leave
getting
Los
killed.
Santos.
One of these shots been fired.
at Camp Toretti.
Yeah, they're still trying to shoot, but they're out of range. So we're good.
The senator wants everybody at the pet store off of Harmony on Route 68.
Hey, firm, Yeah, we're let's just start covering up shooting. because they're running.
Alright, I'm done with the raid. What's going on?
Do we have the last unit mounted up? Let's
One
go.
doesn't
Yeah, we're
simply
picking up right
leave
now.
Los
And the
Santos.
partners once the other side.
True.
Yeah, who's in the SUV?
No, you
No
fucked up
motion,
already,
doctor.
dude.
Get on over and we'll be good to go.
What's the situation?
Stand by.
Yeah, we're on the way back now.
Vale, wait. You got the partner who needs picking up. She's right by us.
Dude, I was writing my report and then you put me in there, man.
Alright, let's pull into
Yeah.
the...
Yeah,
You
well,
gotta
I
get
got
it
too
up.
close. I knew this shit was about to pop off.
APC's full.
I didn't want to miss it.
Nice.
We're gonna need immediate 52s for the officers that are down. Get the 52s over to Harmony and by the Pelt store.
That was something.
That went exactly as I thought it
Yeah, that was something alright.
We got them on bikes coming out after us.
would. Oh, fuck.
Is that them?
No, it's
Hey,
the
Hawk 2,
local.
guys, get in.
Hey, you finally look normal.
Alright, get in.
They're
you-
invading.
Secure the retreat with those.
Who are the guys shooting on?
We've lost local.
Yeah, they're good. They're good.
Yeah.
What the fuck
Yeah.
happened?
Alright, let's get a unit on the. We're on the west side of Route 68. Let's have a blockade.
Let's
Let's
go.
get one of these armored
going to
trucks
war.
on the east side to hold
Yeah,
it down, just in case any of these
Yeah, you
bikers
wanna hold
come
it
for
down,
down
brother?
officers.
Yeah, we holding this down in case they return. All right, I got an idea.
Are you on radio? He said they need an armor truck to go hold it down.
Yeah, they want to hold. They want to hold this down.
We want to secure the arc, right?
All right, this is the spot up here though. That they're fucking playing it wrong.
Hawk 2 is over ahead of the vet.
How many downed officers do we have?
This is how you secure this shit. We can see them coming from their direction, you know? Like, if they come from that way. If they move out, the compound and start running through the fucking fields there, we got a perfect shot on them.
Vehicle with red headlights coming towards the veterinary shop.
Yeah, I see him. It's Audi RS6. He's pulling in. He's pulling in. Say the word and I'll blow him up.
Yeah, you're behind at the hunter spot.
Say the word.
I'm on him right now.
Mind if I use these?
Can we get on these
rooftops at the
Pluto pet station?
You might be able to
you can get on the roof.
No.
On the roof?
No one stops a grinder from selling their pelts.
Yeah, he's so fucking grinding in. Look at this guy. I'm gonna shoot out one of his tires.
Yeah, let's get medical here and then let's get
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what time of day, what's going around.
I'm gonna shoot one of his tires. Watch this.
Don't do it.
No, don't do it.
Yeah, they were literally right next to us, and they drove off.
Yeah, and the gunshots came out.
Yeah, give him a warning shot. Alright, units on the ground. I want you looking fire. There is an enemy sharpshooter that's trying to flank us. He has a red face mask, all black clothing.
Did you tell that guy to fucking leave? APC.
I told him many times. I'm gonna just open up on him if he doesn't leave.
Get blow him up.
Who's not leaving?
Yo, that fucking jet is
Shoot him!
It is sick.
Alright, I've got an idea. Let's make him cooperate leaving.
Well, before you shoot him with an APC.
Do we have
3
medical?
tanks, 1 grinder.
Medical on,
It's been requested, sir. They were right next to us and they drove away.
He's ramming him. Look at him.
Anyone got medical training?
They've been kidnapped or
I'm
some
a Girl
shit.
Scout for 5 years. I can help.
Perfect.
Where's his body?
At the pet store? Guido? Or Harmony? You guys get a lot of
Maybe they had pops. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, they got blown the fudge up.
Nice, good job.
Yeah,
I took down a couple of snipers in their spotter.
Yeah, that first tower on the left there got absolutely fucking destroyed. As soon as it opened up, they died.
If he comes back,
yep, it was pretty fucking awesome,
He's
dude.
good.
Times 4.
Hey, firm, he's leaving.
Yeah, we had everything lined up for that first shot.
Whoa.
What was that explosion?
Explosions in the oil field.
Disregard.
I figured this is a good spot to like kind of stage up in case they push over from their area out of the camp.
Yeah, this is a really good spot to be.
Yeah, so anybody says oil, I think we should invade there.
Not... yeah. Not a bad idea.
Senate is ordering a full withdrawal to LSIA. A full withdrawal to LSIA.
Copy.
Okay.
Nobody told me there would be smoke on that communist pack today, Mac.
Yeah, well, these guys have been trying to change our way of living for a long time, but we're not going to go down without a fight.
We got a spot for you, Senator.
Yep.
These are dirty-ass bikers trying to start their own fucking country. What do you think they're gonna do? These guys ain't got a chance around here.
Let me jump in the heli.
Come back.
Do we have a treason charge?
We don't. No.
Oh, that's too bad.
Let's get down to LSIA's.
I want to go down there, Mr. Mac.
We're on our way. APCs, make the line. Let's go. APCs are going.
Alright, I need pick up.
Alright, let's keep together and let's roll out.
What's your 20 center? The rest of you just keep going. We'll go pick them up.
Wait, where are we going? Which direction? We just U-turned? Or are we
I
going
mean, the
east?
point is to stay together.
So you want some chicken? You don't like it? Okay. Have a good day. because I have very clean ears. My ears don't get very dirty. I just gonna wipe them. It's fun. It's not really.
EMS is at the back of the convoy.
Yeah, they're following. You have this other vehicle. Oh, it's just Laura, don't worry. It just looks tiny compared to us.
My fucking CVPI got blown up.
No.
Did it really?
Yeah. I think it took a round for us.
These guys honestly didn't stand a chance, man.
Yeah, I didn't.
They kind of ran around like headless chickens once the first shot was fired and they got knocked down.
PP, did you blow up my car?
Yeah. Listen, I was trying to adjust these cannons. Whoa.
Okay, Underwood, now you're just showing off.
Hold on.
I need some flares.
Telling me that you disappear for 5 months and the first thing you do when you come back is you blow up Mac's car.
Well, ain't nobody tell a cadet how to angle these shell cannons, okay?
To be honest, none of us were trained for this, all right? So,
I was trained for this.
What, for a tank?
Yes.
I've never had any formal training on driving a tank.
Well, it's very simple, okay?
Yeah, it seems all right.
It is simple, but I really didn't know that you have like a brain crosshair, you know? You gotta really think about it. But if
you don't even need to use the brain crosshair. These things have built-in targeting software.
Do they?
Hey,
Yeah,
Jim,
they
can
do.
you come back? I think
They're
Spot needs
effective
a
out for
fucking haircut.
kilometers of range. You just point at the target and it'll lock onto it for you.
Yeah, a little bit lower.
Okay. You got IR targeting, and then you have your lead software. There's lots of cool stuff you can have with it.
This guy.
This motherfucker's gonna clip one of us one of these times.
Underwood, are you serious?
He's actually gonna blow up into one of these things.
Oh yeah, we're all dead.
RAI, baby.
Oh, there's machine guns on the side of this.
Careful with the APCs, they have big guns.
Actually,
on the
let's land at the racetrack behind the casino. Fuck the airport.
We're lapping them, dude. We've got the inside lane.
Yo, Dogs, we should have called this Operation Caden and Zanaza.
Did you say the casino?
The racetrack behind the casino, yeah.
Got it, 10-4. I got right another email. Dear Brother Paul, we are landing at the casino.
You have to give me a lot of room on that runway.
It's all yours, baby.
Hey, Senate, can we use this artillery to take down the chain gang in Little Seoul with their fortress, please?
Do they have rocket launchers like the Lost?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe's good enough for me.
They also have oil, they have a gas pump.
Let's create a little base here that's good on the floor.
Oh, that's cool.
Good. Oh, God.
Hoorah!
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 Good work, Rangers. We
It's
took them all down out there.
Oh, there he is. Look at that.
There we go. We got our
I saw
we got our
that.
7 kill streak landing right here.
Sick.
I think it's
Good shooting out there in the wood.
Senator Sean, where are you?
I'm in the
I think it's a great.
I'm in the
Quick
fort.
chat.
You know, I always thought I'd make a good.
So this is where all my taxes are going.
Yep.
Seemed like it.
Yeah, every time we seize money from a bank robbery, it goes towards our jet fund.
Wait, really?
Yep, each one of these bombs is one bank.
All right, now it's time for us to launch a missile strike on Ironhawk. Show that we really mean business, I think.
Oh, hell yeah!
Yeah, we need a nuclear missile on Ironhawk. Well, they're sending money offshore.
I mean, they get just importing these things.
Who knows how to fly that with the commands? I have no idea how to fly
That's
that.
the sniper.
It's a sniper.
Yeah, that's the sniper briefcase.
Can we cut the engines on the APCs?
I think I'll still.
They're nice flying, man.
Do you want us to park all these APCs? Well, we ain't going to be able to get back to that mission row. Actually, we can get in the trunk of this Explorer.
Waving roof for it.
Yeah, now we gotta launch a missile at Iron Hog though to show them we really mean business, and then we gotta. 100 battles in they got WMDs and oil. We gotta secure.
These vehicles we're literally never gonna see them in the city ever again.
They did.
Well, look at these though. They're gonna
I mean, we tried to wage genocide in an entire nation, and all they could do was take down a trooper.
Okay. Ken?
What's up?
Is Fury okay?
I think so. Where is he?
I don't know. It's on
he's back out.
Yeah.
Fuck. He's a fucking.
What?
Mob.
You're twisting his niceties into something
How
it's
am
not.
I twisting it? How am I twisting it?
What is trying to get him suspended, aren't you?
What is
Why would I try to get him suspended? He hasn't done anything.
Did you get clawed by a raptor?
I got bombed.
Nice. Today I did the bombing.
You bomb someone?
Yep.
Who'd you bomb?
Underwood.
These motherfuckers out there, the commies.
Let me aim at this.
Oh, hello. Underwood, that flying was fucking amazing.
All right, yes, ma'am.
Well, thank you. I don't know what's
Yeah,
going
Underwood, you're
on.
great.
Gun was great.
Shooting anything.
Shooting at everything.
You know,
That's how
hey,
Americans
Snow,
work.
you know the guy that one of the guys that was involved with the wheat run
Yeah.
that I caught.
You guys should have
Guy
your
had
lights
40
sniper
40 pillows
clip.
of meth in his trunk.
What the fuck?
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
yeah,
That
yeah,
must be
that-
man. Right there.
That's
It's
why
a lot of meth.
that's why I wasn't here. I was kicking his door down, and he had 40 pillows of meth in a van.
What?
Good find, Espinosa. Holy fuck.
Almost 1,400 bags of meth. So
What was the strain?
Yeah, 62
woodpecker or something.
62.
Oh,
Remember
yeah,
that, Winston, by the
62
way?
woodpecker is
Yeah.
Guys, he's giving it to the grinders, and they're all in the streets, by the way.
Yep.
Holy fuck. Yeah, we caught another one of those motherfuckers with it. Oh, good shit, guys. Yeah, that was crazy. Good shit, everybody. Holy fuck.
I
did not expect that.
You over.
Does anybody have
Oh,
food
great.
before I die?
So the casualties we had was one civilian, Angel shot in the head for thinking they were a combatant, and Snow.
Well,
They deserved it, okay.
they deserved it.
They were hunting animals, so they
They
got
were
reversed.
they,
Die.
they
We
pointed
drove
their
up to
rifle
them.
at me, so I shot them.
He's really
We
disappointed.
drove up to them and they were like, "Thanks for shooting us."
Well, they pointed
You're
a gun at
welcome.
me, okay? I'm sorry, bro.
Just don't play weapons.
There's a sharpshooter that's hunting me right now, okay? And I'm keeping watch out for this guy.
Don't worry, your general's proud of you, Angel.
No, this
mean,
literally
Sheriff.
guy trying to kill us.
Can I
This
borrow
little
that?
sniper that's like trying to kill us all.
Can I borrow that real quick?
No, you can't borrow it.
No, Chad, the crosser's invisible. You can't see it, but it's
No,
there.
you can't borrow. No, you can't borrow it.
It would be wasted on you, you
Just so you know, Brian.
Copper, can I get a pickup from the hospital? I'm getting
I know my
I'm getting a hospital.
limitations.
I just want to try.
We'll get Underwood to pick you up from the helipad.
You
Okay.
never know until you try, Angel.
Rachelle Waller.
They will learn about peace through force.
Stop smoking.
Yeah, the helicopter took off out the
Democracy is
compound. I shut it
non-negotiable.
down. in the middle
No,
of the
you need to
Alamo.
start smoking.
No, stop smoking.
PP, here you
I don't know
go.
if it was that.
Here you go, PP. Start smoking. Come on.
Nope.
Well, I
Smoke that, PP.
I'm
Come
not
on.
gonna smoke it. I don't smoke.
Come on, you gotta start.
I don't smoke. Sorry.
Gather up.
Hey, you're missing.
I'm missing out. No, you're missing out on the
Who?
lifespan.
I don't want to live to be 100 anyway.
How many of you won't make it to
Sounds
50?
boring.
Brad, PB!
Hey. Oh,
Sorry.
You're being summoned by a
Sheriff, BP, let's go.
Okay, everyone good? All right, as of this moment, we are declaring anyone associated with that compound an enemy of the state. They have exactly until midday, noon, Monday, Eastern to surrender. If they do not surrender, we will take back what we have by force. That is our land, that is our airspace. They don't get to do that. We're going to cut off all supplies into Sandy Shores. No food, no water. If you see anyone bringing them supplies, you arrest them. That place is dead to us for the weekend, okay?
Sir.
If they do
Senator,
not...
I have information that may help the war effort.
Mm-hmm.
The Sheriff Dominic Toretti has been working with them. I think
that is not true. Shut the fuck up, Red.
Oh
my God.
Definitely I think we need to look into the SDSO and potentially throw them all away for treason.
How can they build a base like that?
It's not true.
Look, I don't care. Look, I don't care about you guys' petty sheriff shit.
Yesterday. Yeah,
right?
we spoke to them yesterday. They had no clue, and they wanted nothing to do with it. They wanted to work with us.
Can I get a pickup on the roof of the hospital by chopper, possible? Thank you.
Anyone that's associated with that compound, we need the paperwork for it. We need to figure out who is an enemy of the state, and they have until noon Monday to turn themselves in. This is the final order. We do not go to Sandy. We do not supply Sandy. We cut off Sandy. We see anyone there shouldn't be, we arrest them. We throw them in prison for treason.
Imagine if we just got RPG.
Everybody that's if they don't surrender come Monday, anybody that's taken alive that is associated with that compound and this revolution goes in for treason. Are we understood?
10-4. Gotcha. I'll put out the warrant for Dominic Toretti myself.
Yes, sir. Yes, Sheriff.
I don't. You and Toretti just need to fuck already.
Yeah.
Anyone else operating in that area, you need to be 2 deep at least in your squad cars. You guys should avoid that area if possible, but if you have to go there,
I think it's well making a list as well as maybe photographs identifying who's been involved in this already, and then if they don't surrender, you know, getting like I said, when we take them alive, if we take them alive, putting them in for treason. Getting a list of information for who's involved in this would be good.
Senators, can we get a treason charge added?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll write some shit up.
What about like checkpoints? Going in and out of there.
That's actually what I was gonna suggest.
UPSO was doing something with that before, but I think that was maybe to fund the war effort. Who knows?
So what happens if said individuals come outside of the compound and into the city? Are you barring them from coming out of the compound until they surrender?
if you see someone, throw them in prison.
Yep.
If you see someone with a high value target, throw them in prison until we have time to figure this out.
Yeah, I have a proposal for Frentanimo Bay.
Well, yeah, just to clarify for the unit, so you want us actively hunting anyone from the Lost, sir? Outside the compounds?
Absolutely.
If they leave that compound, yes, take them in. If they don't actively go into that compound, at least until Monday, give them a chance to surrender. Anybody that doesn't surrender, take them by any means necessary, but we'll handle that on Monday.
Up until like 2 p.m. maybe, 4 p.m.
Yep, you good with that, fellow
2 or 2 p.m. probably.
Basically, the only act of aggression will be us going in on Monday if they don't surrender.
I'm so tired.
Understood.
Okay.
Chief Bass can torture information out of them. He has experience. I'd like to recommend him for this operation.
Something of the waterboarding source, I feel.
Yep.
Dante, I guess.
Thank you, Senators. I really appreciate you coming. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
It was getting bad.
I mean, hopefully this should maybe make them think twice about a revolution, and then if they still want to commit to this shit come Monday, then we'll wipe them out entirely.
24-hour stream pop.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Where does Toretti stand in all this is what I want to know.
They tried to get to him yesterday and he refused.
He's part of them.
He's not.
What about the Chinese influence on Toretti? Is that not a thing?
Like what?
Well, that's a thing, but like they haven't done anything with that. In fact, it's just Svensson and Bushes a lot.
Oh, okay. All right.
Better dead than red. I did hear they were changing the name of the Sandy Shores airport to the Chinese Republic
Well,
Airport.
that's kind of cool.
Jesus Christ.
Yes. That's true.
This is Svensson?
Yeah.
Yeah, Raven Svensson and they're doing it.
I heard that from Toretti himself.
Okay, let's everyone knows what's going on. Let's get out of here. Fucking, I need a drink.
All right.
Hey, Snow, can you add your
Hey,
already
take
a
these
step ahead of you.
take these APCs and helis and shit and throw them in the water, will you?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We'll blow them up.
I'm in the water.
We'll need somebody, people to come with me, grab some extra vehicles to pick up the people that are throwing vehicles in.
I'm gonna go
There's one
send it.
problem. These APCs are amphibious. We may need some audience.
throw them in a shipping
You want me to go depot you somewhere?
Ship them back.
I'll ship them back to Russia.
Yeah, send it to the jack.
I'm gonna go depot it like deep down.
Where are we going to dump?
Tuna shop.
Pick me up. Oh fuck! This really is an all-terrain vehicle. I didn't realize Spence was
Where's
terrain.
the nearest body of water?
What?
Hey, Crossroads, you're 20.
Hey, partner, you ready?
I'm right by Mirror Park Lake right now.
I'm ready.
I'm staying to the water.
Yeah, just seeing if it's deep enough here to drown an APC.
These float, so we may have to put them in a container.
Oh, they float?
I gotta go find out.
Take off.
Woo!
Let's go!
Underwood, which plane is that?
Yeah, it floats.
It's the laser. That's nice.
What?
Yeah, it floats. Okay, this is stupid. How do we not have these for regular patrol?
That'll do it, right?
I'm gonna document all these out of the compound.
Yeah, they'll do it.
Thank you. Whereabouts are you getting rid of these xQcs? I'll come pick you up.
We're just gonna break it down for scrap and sell them to individuals.
Whereabouts, so I'll come pick you up.
I'm not sure. They just be lining for Mission Row right now, so.
Alright, somebody's gonna steal it though.
Oh, it should be fine then.
Yeah, I mean, that's the idea.
Oh no, somebody's about to hit in 10 minutes.
Come around these parts often?
Yeah?
Ready. 305 is 42. You guys have a good rest of your day. Be safe.
Have a good one.
Oh no, they're going straight south. I don't know what they're doing. What are we doing with these APCs? Where are we heading?
LSIA in front of me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 309, I'll be en route.
205 to all units on frequency. Check out the latest tweet from Rudy. It's being retweeted. It's fucking communist propaganda. Propaganda! Yeah, 10-4. I'm documenting every single person retweeting. That's probably everyone who's inside the compound.
My God.
Probably an idiot liberal.
No, I think you lost Loki.
269, Mark me 42. Have a great night.
It's kind of hard to get out of here.
I think you gotta just.
Whenever it's in the water, you can only go forward.
What? It doesn't turn?
Nope, not in the water.
Oh, that's some bullshit.
And now I'm truly gonna send it now.
I think we're meant to be going LSIA.
Uh-oh.
Kind of just clear whole freeway. We'll meet you at the airport, no rush.
Hey, Brian, it didn't work.
Yeah! These ATCs are straight floating in the water.
Yeah,
we're gonna go
drive in the ocean.
It's A, Brian, for the love of God. Personnel. It's a P. Please.
Oh my God. Stop.
I'm taking to the scrapyard. I'm selling it to the guy.
Is that?
Armored personnel carrier.
Down over here.
I go to the scrapyard. We're gonna tear them down. Someone pick us up from here. There's already tanks
Yeah,
here.
404.
We're just sending it down the mountain?
Oh, are we sure we don't want to add these
I don't think these things have seatbelts.
Do they? Man, this can take a beating.
Well, I mean, it got hit by an RPG and survived.
It's stalled.
Oh my god, you stalled it.
No, you have to grab them. None of the employees can.
But we're good with these throughout here.
Hello, Bruno. Oh. Disregard.
Did you just... I hate your way already, haters. You just ran one of them over.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
No, that was definitely a person.
Shit.
Hey, we're meant to go to the scrapyard.
Can I get someone to pick them up under me? I have too much on me.
Where's the scrapyard at? Up north?
No. This one. Yeah, just go there.
What happens if you would go into the gas tanks, you think?
I don't really want to find out.
Wait, did we really tank a rocket earlier?
It hit us dead on. I got fucking hit face on with a rocket.
Listen, this is science, right?
What? No.
Still good.
No fucking shot.
On today. Excuse me. What are you
Science.
doing?
Thanks, Granny. Oh, wait, pick me up.
Hey, partner, this thing is barely smoke after getting exploded.
What are you doing?
I will be fine. Wait, I have a gun in this? Oh my god.
Misfire.
Anyone else need a parachute?
Did she say parachute? You said repair kit.
2 rockets, and it's barely smoking.
Oh, well. There's a tank, right?
Yep.
We need a pickup. I'm sure we'll find a car in here that we can just commandeer.
What do you do here? Where?
We're scrapping it for parts. Yeah, I don't know why we don't just reuse it. Kind of a waste of tax money.
Okay.
Because capitalism.
What are you doing?
We're scrapping this thing. There it is.
Well done.
4 scrap metal and 3 rubber. Thank you.
Damn, that was it?
Yep. Man, Granny, how about you go eat
We gotta pick up from the scrapyard.
Eat.
Got you.
I'm 42ing.
Second Black Hawk's gonna be dropped off soon. We just got a load of parachutes and we're gonna drop it over the ocean.
Right here. $5:05, 10:42.
Yeah, good shit today, PB.
Have a good night.
Good night.